Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here again. So step number 2 inside Salesvision is to create your Instagram account. So with this one, what you're going to want to do is go to Instagram and create an account. If you do not have one, then you can create a brand new one. If you do have one, you can use your existing account, or you can create a whole new one if you want to do that. That is totally up to you. Now, what you're going to want to do also, once you've got that all set up, is you want to follow Vincent Ortega Jr., Asia Roberts, Clifton Hatfield, and also Destin360, which that's the cool one because that's the one that shows all the behind the scenes awesome footage from the mansion in Destin, Florida, which is really nice. And then also follow me, that's Win with Ryan on Instagram, Win with Ryan. And also follow your sponsor, whoever that may be. If it's not me, follow them, but if it is me, also follow Win with Ryan. And that is it. Very simple. Step number 2, create an Instagram and follow all the people you need to follow. See you on the other side.